Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Explorer door code. First, you'll need to locate the factory 5-digit code, which is essential for programming a new personal entry. Then, we'll walk through the simple steps to input that code and create your own unique 5-digit sequence. This process allows you to easily change or add new codes for convenient access to your vehicle. The factory 5-digit code is crucial. You can often find it on a card in your owner's manual, usually in the glove compartment. If not there, check for a sticker on the body control module, sometimes behind the passenger kick panel or under the driver's side dash. For some newer models, you can retrieve it using 2 programmed keys and the infotainment screen. Once you have the factory code, enter it on your door's keypad. Within 5 seconds, press the 1-2 button. Immediately after, enter your desired new 5-digit personal code, ensuring each digit is entered within 5 seconds. To confirm and save, press the 1-2 button again. The doors will then lock and unlock, signaling a successful programming. After programming, always test your new personal code to confirm it functions correctly. Remember, the original factory code is permanently stored and remains active as a backup, so keep it safe. You can program up to 5 different personal codes, offering convenience for multiple drivers. If you encounter issues, consult your owner's manual or contact a Ford service center for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.